welcome to my channel. My name's Amy and if you're new here, and today I'm going up to London to meet Hannah and we're going to go to a Beyond Retro event. I'm currently in the train station. I've got semi-wet hair, it's kind of damp now. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about it. I very rarely have my hair down and I know it's only half up, half down, but it still feels weird. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not quite sure what this event is. I think it's like a panel talk, but I'm quite excited. I'm sure we'll learn more along the way. But I'm gonna meet up with Hannah first and we're gonna do some shopping and then probably get some food because the event starts at 6:30. I'm not quite sure what time it finishes. And we need food. So I do my makeup, kind of a bit more natural. I'm going for a bit more natural makeup at the moment. I'm gonna show you my outfit because I think it's cute. Okay, so outfit details. The top is from Beyond Retro. It says Attitude Included, and it's just a Harley top. The skirt is the old Primark. I've had this for probably, I'm gonna say about 5 years. The belt is also from Primark. A really long time ago, Primark ick, but this is from probably about 5 years ago as well. Rings, I've got one from Disney and then one gifted from the Craft Corner. Earrings are also gifted from the Craft Corner. And I'm wearing new shoes, New Balances. These from Cancer Research and Ricky, and they were £15. I believe the top's like 30. Oh, I hate spending money on stuff. And then I'm taking out my shelter coat. And then in here I've got my black denim jacket. I've got my All Saints jacket, a black All Saints denim jacket. It was £2 from Haven's Offices. And that is the outfit. Let's go to London. Yeah, I'm just waiting for Hannah. I don't think I've ever been to Aldgate before, not to my memory. Anyway, I think we're gonna have a little walk around, find some shops. Hannah needs to return something, so we're gonna do that. But I'm just waiting around here. I might go and get, there's a Pret that I'm eyeing up. So I do my favourite pastry in there. I'm not actually kind of hungry. Thirsty more than anything. I bought some water, but it tastes disgusting. So I might go get a drink. I'm kind of thirsty. So maybe that's first port of call. But we'll wait for Hannah first. There's some people working for the National Deaf Children's Society. And they're trying to get people to sign up. And it is heartbreaking that they're not getting anyone to speak to them. But equally, I find this situation really awkward and always just walk past. They already asked me, but he was like, you're under 25, aren't you? And I was like, yep. But I just find it awkward. Because I donate so much money to charity by charity shopping, and I don't always want to like round up or, you know, donate extra money elsewhere, because I feel like I do a lot of my donating to charity via charity shops. But everyone else are really awkward saying no to charity things, even though we probably donate a lot more than like the regular human, because we are constantly charity shopping. Because if so, same. I don't know if you can hear me because I'm standing next to a really busy road, but also he said he liked my outfit and said I look really cool, but that is apparently his line. He is saying that to every single person that comes past to try and get them to speak to them, and now I feel cheated, to be honest with you. In typical Amy, I typed in Aldgate and Aldgate East onto my Google Maps, hence got off at the wrong stop. Probably should have put 2 and 2 together, lol. But Hannah is waiting at Aldgate East station and I am walking to meet her there. It's only 5 minutes, pretty cool. Hello! Hannah has exchanged her birthday present. And now we are going to Brick Lane Vintage.
Yes, and we'll get a drink on the way for Thursday.
Yes, I am thirsty because I packed a bottle of water. Sorry everyone, it was plastic. I didn't want to carry my heavy glass bottle. But then it'd been in the shed, so now it tastes of shed. And I think that's karma for using a single-use plastic, to be honest.
Absolutely.
Karma I deserve. I'm taking it on. But yeah, my shoes feel okay at the moment, but I'll update you on how horrible my feet feel at the end of the day. Coming to Scout Vintage and Designer. Don't know, but there's Harley boots. They're actually, I know it's ridiculous, they're £55, but I don't actually think that's too bad for a
really
like tall boot. And there's Harley tops. I do quite like the orange. I'm quite an orange person. They also have trainers actually, which I am looking for trainers, even though I've just got these. I want white and black ones. Going into the vintage market now, and it's gonna be vibesy. That shop was really good, by the way, so if you're in the area, that shop was great. Here we are. Off to a flight. Can't keep me away. That's cute.
Yeah.
Looks kind of, I don't know. I like realise I'm zoomed in rather than zoomed out. So from these, and I actually really like them, but they are £20 and I can find them in a charity shop. Okay, we used to channel my inner cool person, but love them. Do a cool smile. Shouldn't have Photo Booth. I've tried loads of sunnies, and actually weirdly I really like them, but they're not on my wish list, so I can't get them. Okay, I need to put my phone away because we're photo boothing. Photo booth. We didn't really realise it was starting, so yeah, let's cut that one out. I'm really tempted by these sunnies. 2 for 18, but I don't really need to buy anything, and sunnies aren't on my wish list, so I should be good. Whoa, they are funky. The cutest cardigans on earth. How much are they? They are really cute. This jacket, look at the back. It's stunning. It is actually originally Levi's, but it's 135. Do you reckon I can customise one like this? I think so. I'm the perfect bag for Hannah. I'm Crisis, and they have some very funky jean suspender things. I don't know. Very fun. Going in a rocket. That Crisis was nice, but everything was literally a size 6. Heaven. Yeah. Bags. Once seeing Pinterest, people look cool with a scarf on their head, but this is what I look like. Took a selfie in front of that.
Against this wall because mine has a pattern.
I love it. We're going to find a drink. We've been staying for about an hour. 2 hours potentially. And we need food as well. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. We've got some pics. Hopefully they're good. I'm sure they will be. Hannah always takes the best pics. There's too many vintage shops though. We keep on getting distracted by the vintage shops.
If I'm honest, we don't need to go in the mall.
We don't need to go in the mall. I want to, we don't need to. So we won't. I'm trying to find somewhere to eat. I didn't buy anything. Well, I was tempted to buy the sunnies, so maybe that's something I need to look for in charity shops. This looks fun, whatever this is. Made it to a bar. If you can't tell, there is live music here. I've ordered some food. I've got lemonade. We've got about an hour to the event, I think, and we're pretty close to it. So we're gonna eat, listen to some music. I think they're just practicing. I think the event might be at 8:30 because that's when the tables are reserved for. We've got some rosemary Cajun fries and some cauliflower tempura. Here, someone's doing some denim painting, shoe cleaning, and clothes. We found Izzy! Hello! We just took photos. We took the photo I've been meaning to take forever. I'll insert it here. I don't know if YouTube know about it, but Izzy is instructing me on the leg, and I'm so excited. We're in an orange little bit. I'm drinking a yuzu drink. And it's not nice. Composing is the most awesome Harley Davidson. Why did I say awesome? That's embarrassing. No, it's amazing. Harley Davidson leather jacket, but it's 160. And I'm not meant to be buying anything. It's not on my list, so but it's so pretty.
Try it on.
I can't try it on Hannah because I'll buy it. We are in now, and we're ready. Ready for a panel talk. Okay. So the talk is over. It was really good. Hannah, what did you think?
It's very good, very informative.
I feel inspired. It was really heartwarming.
Inspired to mix and match.
However, yeah, there was a guy who was really persistent that we all mix and match our clothes. But to be fair, I do. I've never worn this top with this skirt, and now I am, and that is brilliant. But we all agreed, and actually mentioned it on the panel, that we're kind of preaching to people that already love it. Like, we all already love secondhand fashion, that's why we're here. And then to like preach that we need a fast fashion galley. It's like when Penny uses Boohoo Babe hashtag to try and get on and infiltrate the community, because ultimately we all know what we should be doing, but some people don't. We need to educate them people, but I don't know how we do that. But that is another question that we didn't even answer today, but let's go and party the night away. Okay, so as always, I've got to finish. It's messy. Forgot to finish the vlog, but I'm still out, so technically it's fine that I'm finishing it now. But the panel was really good. It was really inspiring as I was staying in there, but not sure you could hear me. And it was just really nice to meet other creators I haven't met before. Izzy was lovely, and if you know me personally, you'll know that I talk about her account all the time and say I want to get a photo of her and me with my leg in the air. and we got it today, and I feel like I've fulfilled my dream. But to be fair, that is the main thing I'm taking away from today. All the inspiring conversations were happening about literally saving the planet that we live on. But that was pretty cool. The pamphlet was really inspiring. Lots of things to think about. Again, like I said, like we need to get this message out to people that aren't in this community, and that's like the hard bit. But even like learning, I don't know, just talking about the reason they shop the way they do, and I just find it really interesting. But it was really, really good. I didn't buy anything, which was insane, because we went to so many shops today, and I'm really proud of myself. My whole sticking my thrifting wish list is still working and it's still happening. I'm feeling really proud of myself for that, which I know is probably not a big step for a lot of people, but it's a really big step for me. And of course it was lovely to spend the day with Hannah. Hannah is going to feature on the videos a lot more, because I'm seeing her this weekend, 2 days in a row. But yes, I'm going to finish this vlog here. I'm not quite sure how long it is, how much footage I even got. It may be really short, it may be really long, but that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment any sustainable fashion advice you have, subscribe if not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.